Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Waterproof H30 Hood. So this is a 2mm thick neoprene hood. So this is really just to give you a little bit of protection over your head where you don't want sort of too much, because some 5mm hoods, they can be a bit cumbersome. They kind of, they dull your hearing as well. But if you're somewhere a little bit warmer, or if it's in the summer months, you want something to protect your head, but you don't want sort of too much, then this can be the perfect alternative. It's also handy for people with longer hair as well. Just keeps everything contained, stops it from going a little bit crazy under the water. Now, first of all, this is the packaging that it comes in. So this is all paper, this is plastic free. So well done for to Waterproof for going to the plastic free with all their packaging. But back to the hood itself. So the hood is basically a Bibless hood. So you can wear this with your wetsuit or your dry suit. You might just get a little bit of exposed sort of section around your neck. The stitching, most of the stitching on the inside is this flat lock stitching, so soft against bare skin. It's not gonna rub in any one particular area. The edge of the just around your face. So this is sort of neoprene lining kind of rolled over, so that's quite soft. But then on the inside, it's just a standard lining. So nothing overly sort of fancy when you compare it to the thicker the 5s and the 7mm hoods. But if you just need something for the summer months, or if you're going sort of off somewhere nice, but in the winter months, you just need something just to sort of cover your head. Covering your head with neoprene makes a world of difference when you're scuba diving. So this is just going to sort of be that nice thin hood, gives you a bit of protection, but it's not too big and bulky. This is the Waterproof 2mm H30 Hood. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.